Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox the Guzel box for May 2019, and it's a little different this time. I'll go ahead and let me I got my notes down here, so if I'm looking down, that's what it is. You dropped the price now down to $14.99 with $2.99 shipping. It's going to be one less full-size item, and they will still do the customizations. So I haven't opened it, so let's see what it is. But before we do that, if you will please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, dislike and comment. All those are good for me. So we can have a conversation, or if you feel like you need to tell me I need to be doing something better, I'm all about that. And also I want to remind you that Thursday is the last day of my giveaway. And to do that, you need to be subscribed to me, like me follow me on Instagram, be 18 years or older, live in Canada or the United States, all 50 of them, and I think that's it. I will list down below. I'll also list the link to a reminder video for the video that you need to watch. Then you can click on in that video there's a link to the Gleam, so then you can click over to the Gleam and go through all the steps. So let's get started on the box. It's not as pretty as the one for April. I was a little disappointed, but it's what's in the box that matters. Hang on, I can't figure out how to get it open. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it comes like this. It has a card on top that says Guzel box May 2019. Included in your box is a great mix of products to add to your beauty routine and skin products to enjoy. Share a photo of your box on Instagram and receive $10 off. Not $10. No. 10%. Save 10% off your next box. Find us on Facebook and Instagram at Guzel Beauty Box. So the very first thing I see is Garnier Skin Active Soothing Makeup Towelettes. Right here. Can always use makeup wipes, so I'm going to stick these right over here. As a matter of fact, I'm almost out. And so the next thing I see is nail stickers. There you go. I don't polish my nails, as you can see. Sometimes I wear false nails, but I may try these on the false nails. I'm open to new things. The next thing I seen this when I held up the box. This is called Nature's Box, and it is body wash. And they taped it up, which I'm glad they taped it up because stuff like this can leak. Let's see. Doesn't have a safety seal. Oh, but it smells good. Almost like a grapey smell. So around here we have 5 people that live in the house, so we're all the time needing body wash, so I'm glad we got that just in case we run out. Then I got these bamboo eye duo brushes. So just pull these out and look. and to tear it up the box. They're by Bay, B-A-Y. Oh, and they're very soft. I don't have on eyeshadow today. Just mascara and eyeliner. But, and my glasses are all dirty. I should have cleaned them. Yeah, this is soft. And no bristles are coming out, and I'm doing it hard on my finger. So I think those will be good brushes, and you can never have too many brushes. And so the next thing is 2 things in this pack. Let's make sure there's nothing out. No. Alright. So there's 2 things in this pack right here. This is NYX. I may have to take my glasses off to read it. Anyway, I think this is NYX Butter Gloss. I can't read it. But it's a pretty color. And I'm going to put some on. I'm going to see my aunt in just a little bit. Let's see how this will look. I have on a purple that I wanted to be dark, but it's not. This is about the same color as what I had on. It's a pretty color. Yay, I'll put that in my purse and use it probably on the daily. The next thing is this NYX Ombre Blush. All taped up. So what do y'all have planned for the weekend? My birthday's Thursday. We probably won't do anything because last week was our anniversary. Oh, I got something on my camera. Okay, so finally, here it is. It's the Ombre Blush. Ooh. Yes, dear, yes. Isn't that beautiful? And I don't know if you can tell, I'll turn it this way. It's the dark purple right here. So I'll try to. Oh, I don't know if I can wear that. I might have to smudge it all together. And then here's the pink. I love bright pink blush right now. I have on peach, but that's just I'm trying to break it up a little bit because I've been wearing bright pink for the longest time. And then that's the colors. I don't have anything to put it on with, or I'd put it on over what I got. I think this will complement my skin color. This won't open all the way back. But yeah, I think that will. Because I'm pale. I need all the color I can get. So that is what was in this box. This box cost $14.99 plus $2.99 shipping. I like the Guzel box. They've had some tough times, but I really like it. And when I'm editing, I will put the total value of the box somewhere, maybe over here on the screen of the total value. But I love it. I love everything that I got. And I mean, like I said, it's a $14 box, so I think it was very good. Like I said, they listened to their customers and lowered the price, which I think is awesome. I don't think many companies do that. I mean, they're just on their second year, so they're having to, they're having to buy their items where people like BoxyCharm and Allure have the stuff given to them. So, but yeah, that's my box. So if you can remember, please give me a subscribe, a thumbs up, give me some comments. I love to have discussions down in the comments with my subscribers. Don't forget about the giveaway. It ends on Thursday. I will have a link to a reminder video that has the link to the Gleam in it. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.